When you talk electric cars, Tesla's Model Y is always in the spotlight. It's the vehicle that seems to define what a modern EV should be, blending cutting-edge technology with everyday usability. It's not just an SUV, it's a rolling computer, updated over the air like your phone. Tesla pushes new features and improvements straight to your driveway, so your car keeps getting smarter over time. Inside, you'll find radical minimalism, no buttons, just a massive touchscreen that controls everything. Climate, navigation, entertainment, and even driving settings are all at your fingertips, making the cabin feel futuristic and uncluttered. The Model Y feels more like a gadget than a car, and that's a huge part of its appeal. It's designed for tech lovers, but it's also intuitive enough for anyone to enjoy. Performance? Even the base model is quick, with instant torque that makes city driving fun and highway merging effortless. But the performance version is supercar fast, 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds. Practicality is clever too. A front trunk for extra storage, a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with light, and even a 7-seat option for families or those who need more space. The flexibility is impressive. Tesla's supercharger network is a game-changer, letting you road trip with confidence. Fast charging means less waiting and more exploring. No more range anxiety, just plug in and go. Charging is simple, quick, and integrated into the Tesla experience. The Model Y's ecosystem, car, software, and charging sets it apart. Everything works together seamlessly, from your phone to your car to the charging network. It's a global success because it's more than a car. It's a tech experience that's changing how people think about driving.